Add an ethnic feel to your room with this cotton handmade wall hanging. Go for a dramatic makeover of your wall and this tapestry would become a conversational piece of art. A must-have in any season for all ethnic-savvy ones. This is a rare beauty not to be missed, a genuine collector's item and the result of masterly workmanship. These tapestries are completely screen-printed in traditional Indian method and takes combination of skill set, patience and lot of time to complete. 100% cotton. These tapestries are printed, not quilted or woven. They are hippie Indian tapestries. Thin as sheet. Good, tight power loom construction. Hemmed edges. Corners have a small fabric loop attached. Each tapestry has its unique imperfections. In some cases what printers would call registration errors are intentionally included on the screen print to simulate hand wood block prints. Usage: bed cover, tapestry, curtain, couch cover, wall hanging, tablecloth, furniture cover, fabric for creativity, throw covers for sofas, festival/week.